Healthy start to the new year with F&N Sharp and this Buffalo Quinoa Chicken quote-unquote salad. First off, let's just get into some veggies here with the F&N Sharp chef's knife. Just some diagonal cuts on some celery and then some carrots, and we'll get into the rest of this dish here. Super simple to make, quick weeknight meal, or can even be used for meal prep. Some scallions. I'm cutting the white parts to throw into the dish as it cooks, and then I'm going to cut on a bias or on a diagonal. That'll be for some garnish. Some chicken breasts here, simply cleaning them up, and then I'm going to square off the chicken breast, which just means to kind of clean up the edges so they're all even. Then you get an even cook on all the pieces. Chicken breast, just like steak, has striations in the meat, which you need to cut against the grain, and that will give you a super tender mouthfeel with the chicken. Make sure to brown it. Add your veggies in, reserving some of the scallions off to the side for garnish later on. We'll go in with some buffalo sauce, stir it all together, allow it to saute until the chicken soaks up some of that sauce. Some cooked quinoa going down. We'll give everything a good stir, and then we'll go ahead and plate it. You can omit the blue cheese or anything really. You can also change out the veggies too if you have some favorite veggies that you'd prefer in the dish. And check out this and so much more on fnsharp.com.